Mambukal Summer Resort has enhanced its natural beauty due to the favorable weather and the innovations and restorations introduced by the provincial government of Negros Occidental. Ready to serve the tourists are the waterfalls, swimming pools, therapeutic warm dipping pool, picnic huts, bat watching, and boating. Mambukal Mountain Resort is located at the foot of Mount Canlaon and is about 32 kilometers away from Bacolod City. It sits at about 1,200 feet above sea level and about 23.6 hectares of land. This establishment dates back to 1927 when it was started by a Japanese architect named Ukichi Paul Ishiwata.